So in case you're new to joining us, I'm Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub. We're here at West Coast Sports Cards in Federal Way, Washington. That's where we do all of our live streams here. We're on Twitch. And if you're joining us, welcome. And we've done a few breaks already tonight. And we are moving on to a box of 13-14 totally certified basketball. So it's 6 packs in a box. You get 6 hits. You get 1 per pack. It's 3 autographs. And so 3 autographs, 3 memorabilia cards. Not a bad suggestion for loot lockers. I'll throw that out there. Bought a fair amount of TC because it's always 1 hit per pack. I like the odds. So our first pack. First pack, first autograph. Rod Strickland. Totally red. Signatures numbered out of 99. Then we've got a Dominique Wilkins, totally blue, numbered out of 49. Klay Thompson, Reggie Bullock, rookie. And our first relic card, Zach Randolph, totally blue materials, numbered out of 99. Then we've got a red parallel Ryan Kelly, rookie, numbered out of 99. Michael Carter Williams, rookie, Larry Johnson, Grandmama. No way. Serge Ibaka, 3 of 5 patch, 3 color patch. Look at that, green parallel. Wow. Serge, number 3 of 5. Look at that on the back. Wow, that's a beautiful card. All right, there we go. So we got a nice patch on this one. Woo. All right, and our last relic, totally blue, Michael Beasley, numbered out of 99. God, that Surge, that's awesome. Wow. I like that.
It was fun to watch.
All right, so that means we got 2 autos left. And we got, I can't even read the name. Phil Pressey auto, rookie, Boston, not numbered. Nothing else in there. And our last pack. Hello. Got OJ Mayo leading it off, Dudley, and Campy Russell, Cavaliers. That's old school. Not numbered. All right, so that was 1 box of 13-14 TC.